didn't have your home, but don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, we're making a cycle wheel with a plate and this. When you're done with it, it should look like this. Now let's start. I cut it out the circle, guys. Now I'm cutting it in big circle. Now I'm gonna, because I'm writing to 26 because there's 26 letters. Now I'm gonna start. Okay, now I'm putting my pin on, so let's do it. Okay. You can do it at your home, but don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you, Jovi. Today we will learn what is cipher wheel, and how it is used to encrypt a message. Do you know what was number 0 originally called? Cipher. A cipher wheel is a tool used to encrypt a message. To encrypt a message means to scramble it into a form that is unreadable, except to the person with the decryption key. What is code? A code is a set of letters, numbers, symbols, etc., that is used to secretly send messages to someone. Cipher. A cipher is a method of transforming a text in order to conceal its meaning. A key phrase lets the sender tell the recipient what to use to decode a message. A key object is a physical item used to decrypt a code. Encrypt means to convert something written in plain text into code. Decrypt means to convert something written in code into plain text. Cipher wheel can be mixed with any letters, numbers, or symbols to create secret messages. Encryption is used to protect private data and information that is sent, received, and stored online. This type of encryption uses collections of algorithms, sets of computer processes and rules to create unique encryption and decryption. Keys. For example, find secret message of the code PDWK. Your key is D, A. In the case of your cipher wheel, the key is the 2 letters you must align on the wheel in order to translate the secret message. Did you get this? Large disk, aligned up with small disk, D. Are you curious to know the message? P equals M, D equals A, W equals T, K equals H. So secret messages. Math. Let us decode some of the secrets. Get ready, little agents.
Find the secret word. Key. A equals to 0. 0 equals A. 1 equals B. And so on. The correct answer is cat. Find the secret word. The correct answer is ball. Find the secret word. The correct answer is book. Find the secret word. The correct answer is tiger. Find the secret word. The correct answer is banana. Send the secret code. Encrypt or send the code. Dog encrypted is 3.14.6. Find the secret word. The key is A equals D. The correct answer is car. Find the secret word. The correct answer is bike. Find the secret word. The correct answer is apple. Send the secret code. Encrypt it or send the code. The key is A equals D. Happy encrypted is KDSSV. Best YouTube channel's name is QuizTikTime is the best YouTube channel. Where is the diamond hidden? Inside of a sock.
Okay, I hope you had fun decoding the secrets. Encryption and decryption methods are used in securing company devices, securing email communications, protecting sensitive company data, encrypting databases, securing a websites from cyber attacks, and also encryption and decryption form key elements of a cryptographic network and blockchain technology. Cryptography is at the core of every cryptocurrency and blockchain network. Bitcoin was also the first blockchain, designed and developed using cryptography methods. We will learn more about this concept in future videos. Goodbye everyone. See you again in next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like to get notifications. Check out the links below for more quizzes.